So here we go, guys. I have my 3 pre-made one in here. So good luck to me. I don't know if I can pull this, but okay. See, these are the 3 strands on the other side, and there's the 3 strands on the other side. So I'm gonna pull the black one. See if it's gonna work. Go over this. We're gonna go on the top first. Okay? Let me pull it. Then we'll go to the next one. We pull it. Oh, help me. Okay, and then the next one. Okay, now the last one. Okay, this is just my first time, so bear with me. The last one that we pulled, the thread on that one, I mean the strand is right here. See, it's pulling it. You're gonna pull that and go here. You see that? Keep pulling that to go there. And then the next one would be, don't mind my son coughing, he's sick right now. This goes here. You guys see that? And then we pull it. Sorry, pulled the wrong one. There's a lot of strands, you can get confused easily. Pull that. It's quite hot today. And then this goes right here. We pull that. Since we pulled that, the last one from where we pull is the first one to go in from the other side. Okay? See, this one goes in here. Next one is this guy right here. It looks kind of funky, but after a while it's gonna go. So I hope I'm doing this correctly. And then next goes here. Okay, here's got it. Okay, so now this goes here. Okay, and then this one goes here. And then this goes here. See this? This one right here goes first. And this one goes next. Okay, and this next one goes here. This goes in. This goes in. And then this one goes here. Okay, same pattern. This one goes here. Okay, and then this one goes here. Oops, I put the wrong one there. Let's put it back. And then made it long enough. Sorry. And then this one goes here. And this one goes here. You guys got it? Okay, what is the last one that we put in? Was this one, right? See this one? This is the last one, right? So if that's the last one, the other part of it is what we have to put in to go inside. Correct? And then the one next to it is the next one. And then this is the last one. You see that? And so this is the last one that we did. What connects to that is this. So this goes in. You guys want to know why this goes in first? It protects this right here. It secures everything. See how it goes over this too? It secures it. You see? So that's just how it goes. And then next one to the neighbor. To the neighbor, right next to it. Don't mind me because this is my first time putting this 3 braided lay together. So, and this one goes in. So this is the last one that went in. That's what we gotta put in first on the next step, okay? So it's the same pattern. So this one goes in here. Okay? And then next, right next to it, goes in. Okay? So next one is this. Okay guys, so this is, since this is the last one and this is the end of it, which one goes in first? Which one? Yes, you got it right. It's the black one. So the last one that you work with, the other end of it, is the first one to go in. You guys got it? So the next one is this. It goes in here. There's a lot of strand to be working with, so you guys gotta be careful pulling the wrong. By pulling the wrong one, it's it's like you have to restart all over again or to kind of like fix it. So here we go. Okay guys, so since this is the last one, which one is the next one to put in? Since this is the last one, what connects to this is this one, correct? So what connects to this is this one. So this one goes in. See how it secures the other two? Yeah? And this one will go in. And now I'll turn it around to show it to you guys what it looks like and what we're working on right now. So yes, this is my challenge. Cross my finger that it's gonna look okay in the back. So we're gonna do one more. Then I'm gonna turn it around. Okay, last one was this. So we pull this one out, secure the other two. The neighbor, the next neighbor, pull it in, loop it through. Okay, and then this one, go through, and that's how it looks like in the front. See how thick? If I could only grab the 2 strand, let me go grab it, hold on. Okay guys, so this is the single strand braided lay, okay? And this is the double strand braided lay. Single, back in front, double, back in front, and this is the triple. This is the back. Oh, it's doing well. And this is the front. So let me see if I can finish this up. I'm gonna do real quick. So okay guys, let me see if I can finish this up. I'm gonna do a quick fast forward, and I'll finish the rest in regular braiding, and I'll show you guys the finished product. Okay, So okay guys, I'm done with the triple braided lay. Okay, and that's the back. So I did a 7 yard for each strand, but for some reason, because maybe it's so thick, it needed more material. So this is how it looks like if I put it together. Let me just show you guys the ends. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish them. Let's try tie them together, see how it looks. So I guess next time we'll just go ahead and maybe double that length, I believe, or maybe, because I put 7 yard on each, maybe 10 yard on each, or maybe 12 yard on each, because it has you use a lot of material on this because it's a lot thicker. So yeah, if you guys do want to try it, I recommend for you guys to put more material in it because of the thickness of this lay. Yeah, so I undo the other end, which the beginning part of the lay. So here we go. You can slightly stretch it. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and tie them. Just like so. And I'm gonna trim it a little later. Let's see, this is how small this lay is. But you can actually, if you want it bigger, or you can go like this. We put the bow. It's pretty thick bow right here. But if you want it longer, I suggest for you guys to, instead of using 7 yard, I would say between maybe 10 to 12, or maybe double that amount of ribbon. But that's gonna be a lot of material because it's so thick. See how thick it is. Okay, so that's how it looks like. This is a 7 yard. If you want to double this, go between maybe 10, no, not 10, maybe 10 to 14. Okay, so okay guys, thank you for watching. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel for more videos. Aloha.